Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to open the box for Amazfit T-Rex Smart Watch. From the first look, the watch looks stunning and amazing. I think it is very suitable for rough and tough weather like in India. So this is supported by Bluetooth version 5.0. So let's open the box. I have already opened the box earlier just to check that what are the contents and how the watch actually works, but I'm doing it one more time for you. So here is the watch. As you can see, it looks stunning, very beautiful. The always on display is on at this point of time. So the straps are actually made up of rubber. They are very stretchable, very flexible. The body is made up of polymer. On the back hand side you will see the charging ports. Around the watch there are 4 steel buttons for you to select, back, up and down. So as you can see, the display is AMOLED and it is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. So apart from that, what we have more is the user manual. The user manual basically is in different languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, Urdu, and etc. So the user manual will basically give you the details, how to connect, how to basically connect this to the Amazfit app, and the standard instruction which comes in any user manual. So additionally you have is the USB charger. So charger has the magnetic strip on the other side, and these charging points and the magnetic strip basically gets attached to the back side of the watch. The moment you bring these two things closer to each other, the charging points, the magnetic points actually get stuck or stick to the back side of the watch. So guys, this is the military grade watch. As you can see, the display looks stunning. If you scroll from up to down, you can see the number of steps, the calories, you can see the BPM. It keeps on actually measuring your BPM. And here there are some quick settings like torch. You can set the brightness, you can lock some of the settings, and the battery. So if you scroll to the left, you can actually see the notification. You can set it up for any kind of application, be it phone, WhatsApp, messages, emails, etc. If you scroll on the right hand side, you will actually see the menu. So here you can see the status. The PI is the health chart. This is a new concept coming from Xiaomi and some of the other companies which are into the health sector. Then the heart rate, you can see the workout. There are many workouts, I'll talk about it later. Activities, there are many activities. The weather and the music control. You can only control the music from this watch. And the alarm, you can set it up alarm. The event reminders and the timer and the countdown. You can also find your phone. There is also a magnetic compass. You can see the the direction, north, south, and the settings. So let's go deep dive into each of the menu. So if you go to the status, quick status, you can see the number of steps, how much of meters, the calories you have burned. The health chart is basically a continuous monitoring of your health for 7 days. A score of more than 100 is the healthiest. So guys, here you can see the heart rate option. So if you go inside the option, you can see the BPM and the graph. If you go further below, you can see that how your heart rate is actually faring, whether you have been doing the light exercise, intensive, aerobic, and other categories. I have not used it, but I'm just showing it to you. So the workout, you can see the running is there, walking, the cycling, the swimming, and the open water swimming. The treadmill is there, the cycling, indoor cycling, and the cross exerciser, the trainer, the exercise, climbing and the trail running, skiing and the outdoor skiing. So there are various modes. They basically, depending upon how rigorous the sports activities are, they will actually measure your steps and the calories burned. Okay. So if you click on the weather, you can see the weather. So currently it's showing me 27/31 degrees. And then if you scroll further down, it can actually show it to you the weather for next 4 to 5 days. So it can basically store the weather for next 7 days or so. So it keeps on updating till the time it is connected to your phone. So on the music, it's like I was saying earlier, it is, you can control your music. This is not, it does not have the music player, but you can control the music from your phone or off your phone. And then here you can set the alarms. Like you can see that I have set up 2-3 alarms. So then you go further down, you can set up the event reminder, some of the recurring kind of task or the reminders for the day. And then the timer, I think you know how to use this timer. And then the countdown, which basically starts the other way. So here I have set it up for. And then the compass, basically. The Find My Phone, actually I'm not showing it to you. The compass basically can give you the southeast direction or the direction where you are in. And then in the settings you have the watch face. You can change the faces. Screen on time duration. This is basically that after how many seconds the screen will actually go dim, and the default watch screen will come into picture. Then quick startup basically will give you the shortcut basically for the same physical activities here. So you can also access those things from here. Always on display is the kind of face when the screen is off. So there are two faces given, digital and the analog face. I'll show it to you later. So if you see that now I'm setting up, these are the clock, the watch faces. They have given the 3 watch faces. There are 30 of them in the app, but I'll cover those into the review section. So you can change by long pressing the watch face, and then that becomes the default watch face. So let me quickly show it to you how to change. So this is always on display. So this will be visible when when the timer expires for the screen inactivity. And here I'm showing it to you that how do you change the always on display watch face. So you just saw the digital watch face. Now let me show it to you the analog watch face. Unfortunately there are only 2 of them, always on display face. So you have to basically live with these 2 faces only. So now you can see that I'm changing it to, so this is the analog always on display watch face. So guys, you saw the unboxing and the first look of this watch. So next week I'll be posting a review which will talk about the performance and the software part of this watch. Also I'll be talking in detail about the Amazfit app, what are the things you can control from the Amazfit watch. So for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, and till then, bye, and I'll look forward to see you again. Cheers. Yeah.